The following program was produced by the United States Courts.
Independence means to me the freedom to vote, the freedom of religion.
Everybody's out to do their own thing.
Being able to live freely, work where you want to work.
It's the right to fulfill one's hopes and aspirations.
It is a priceless gift, a gift that I feel that we all take for granted. We don't realize how blessed we are.
The ability to sit in front of you in a courtroom wearing pink with spiky hair.
And luckily, as a woman, being able to do almost anything I want.
I'm originally from Ecuador, and I think here, no more else can you just feel like you can just go and do anything. And in some countries, that's not the case.
Freedom, autonomy, the right of the people to decide.
To choose what I'd like to do, where I'd like to go.
And I have the freedom to exercise all of those rights without fear, intimidation, or coercion by anyone. The courts have a very important role in protecting my independence. It's the branch of government that interprets the law fairly and accurately.
If you look how we set it up, we put legislating the laws first, putting Congress as number one, and then I think the executive's number two, and then the courts are number three. But they're that backstop, that check to make sure the first two, don't overstep their bounds.
Your rights and your liberties as an American citizen depend upon someone protecting them, and that's the central role of the courts.
As changes and transformations and technologies, et cetera, continue to be introduced into society, the courts are there to be able to continue to reinterpret and to be able to ensure that that independence for each individual citizen is available.
The courts would be independent of any kind of influence.
They fight for our rights, and they make sure that we have rights.
Protecting the rights of the minority.
They balance out your opinions with the opinions of others and hopefully make a compromise that doesn't infringe anybody else's rights.
Finding justice and making sure that people do the right thing.
It sets the arena for people to hear their grievances and have a jury decide their cases.
It's the federal judiciary, in my view, that is the branch most centrally dedicated to making sure that in every way, every person in this country has the right to life, to liberty, and to pursuit of happiness, the great words of the Declaration of Independence.
All men are created equal means to me that all people should be treated equally regardless of their race, religion, gender, sexual orientation. No matter what color or race you are, everybody's the same. They're just unique in their own way.
You're an American and you're welcome here, free from any oppression or pressure or stress of anything like this. In this country, you can make anything of yourself, so all men are truly equal.
And as judges, we all take oaths to treat the poor and the rich, the popular and unpopular, all the same.
In the distribution of rights, there is no advantage or disadvantage to any person based on anything other than the fact that they are a person.
Regardless of what race, creed, religious factor, where you were born, anything means that we are all human beings with the same blood and the same hearts.
Life, liberty, and the pursuit of happiness means
everyone has the same rights.
To be able to reach any goal or any dream that I have in life, as long as I work very hard at it, I can achieve anything that I desire.
You should be free to do whatever makes you happy, as long as it doesn't basically infringe on the quality of life and the happiness of life of other people.
Believe what I want to believe without being told that I have to do something in a certain way.
Pursuit of happiness is what I like to do every day.
Raise a family, have kids. Pursue the things that really reflect our greatest aspirations.
And go almost anywhere I want, live where I wish.
These are rights that all of us have, and these aren't rights that the government can give us or take away from us.